Our brains are powerful, but they don't always work the way we think. Nobel Prize winner Daniel Kahneman explains this brilliantly in Thinking Fast and Slow. The book dives into how we make decisions, why we make mistakes, and how our minds actually operate on two very different systems. And here's the key: understanding these systems can completely change how you approach life, work, and money. Before we go deeper, if you want resources to help you apply these insights right away, click the link in the bio. I've put together some free tools you can start using today. The book introduces two systems of thinking. System 1 is fast, automatic, and emotional. It's what you use when you recognize a friend's face, finish a sentence without thinking, or swerve when a car cuts you off. System 2 is slow, deliberate, and logical. It's what you use when solving a math problem, writing an essay, or planning a budget. Both systems are essential, but here's the catch. System 1 often takes control, and it can trick us into bad decisions. Kahneman explains cognitive biases, mental shortcuts that save time but lead us astray. For example, the availability heuristic. If you just saw a news story about a plane crash, you might think flying is more dangerous than it actually is. Or the anchoring effect. If I ask whether Gandhi was older or younger than 120 when he died, and then ask you to guess his actual age, your answer will be biased by the absurd first number. These biases shape our choices in ways we don't even notice. And if you're enjoying this so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I share book breakdowns like this every week, and you don't want to miss the next one. Another insight is loss aversion. Humans feel the pain of losing about twice as strongly as the joy of gaining. That's why investors panic during market dips, even when logic says to stay calm. It's also why we hold on to bad habits. Fear of loss outweighs hope of gain. The book also explores overconfidence. We trust our instincts too much. We believe we understand the future, when in reality, we're just guessing. Experts, CEOs, and politicians are all guilty of this bias. Kahneman warns that humility, acknowledging uncertainty, is one of the smartest financial and personal strategies you can have. Finally, Kahneman encourages us to slow down. System 1 is fast, but often wrong. System 2 is slow, but it catches mistakes. By pausing before making decisions, especially big ones, we give ourselves a chance to think more clearly. So what's the takeaway from thinking fast and slow? Your brain is wired for shortcuts, but those shortcuts often mislead you. If you understand your biases, use System 2 more often, and accept uncertainty, you'll make smarter, calmer, and better choices in every part of life. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more book breakdowns, and check the link in the bio for free resources that will help you apply these lessons today.